Channel. Today I have a super exciting unboxing because this is the first time that I ever won anything from the sneakers app, so I'm super excited. I'm not sure if I'm more excited on the shoes or the fact that I actually won something from the sneakers app. But yeah, with no further ado, let's get started. So these come in this orange Nike box. So these are the Nike and Sacai Vaporwaffle sneakers, and I'm super excited about these because the other Sacai X Nike collaboration shoes, I haven't really enjoyed those because they have like this long extension of the sole, and I don't really like that. But this I feel is much nicer. Like here it has kind of like a open mouth instead of like a longer piece, so I really like that. And I'm also really like this colorway. It's like a black and gray and white, and yeah, first look is really nice. It has like this mesh detail on the shoe here, and then it has like a 3-layer or 4-layer sole, and it has 2 tongues and then 2 pairs of laces. So it has like this normal black lace, and then this is kind of like a different type of fabric, a gray lace, which is a nice detail, and then it also came with gray laces as well. Let's take the other shoe out. So yeah, I really like these. Yeah, I haven't really decided yet if I'm gonna keep these or sell these. I have to try these on and see how they fit with my wardrobe and stuff, but I feel like the colorway is really simple, and I feel like these could be a pretty good stable piece for your wardrobe, but still kind of a stable, but still like it has some edge to it. But yeah, and also it has like this Nike Sacai detail at the back. I will show you the details and close-ups later. And yeah, I have to try these on to see how comfortable they are. But yeah, I got these in a size 5, which is my normal US men's size. And yeah, I feel these are not really a winter shoe or fall shoe because they do have the mesh detailing, so it has like mesh on all over the shoe, so these are pretty airy, so I feel like these will be a good summer shoe. But yeah, let's go and try these on. I really like the fit of these. They fit fine, so I would take your normal size if you are considering purchasing these. And I checked from StockX, and these go for my size, which is a US size 5, go for $380. And when I first got these, I checked StockX, and it was something starting with a 4, so they have come a bit down on price. But I think these will increase in price once time pass a little more. But yeah, I really like these. I'm still debating if I want to keep these or not. I have to see some kind of outfits. I don't know if I like these that much that I would pay the resale price for these, because I always, when I get shoes, I kind of think that would I pay the resale price for them? So that kind of gives me the idea that do I really like them. But yeah, I'm not really sure. I have to test these out and try them with different outfits. But yeah, this was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!